Welcome to the Create Wow Patient List training video. From the home page, click on the Wow Patients icon. On the Wow Patients page, there are several tasks that can be performed, including adding or editing patients, or deactivating patients. This video will focus on creating patient lists. To begin, click on the Create List button. This page allows a WOW team member to quickly and easily create a list of patients with information about their WOW status. There are several types of WOW patient lists that will be useful. 3 pre-configured lists can be created using the buttons in the lower portion of the screen. The All WOW Assigned button will provide a list of all patients who have been assigned to a team member. The All WOW Unassigned button will list patients eligible for the WOW program who have not yet been assigned to a team member. The All WOW Active button will combine all assigned and unassigned patients into one list. It is also possible to choose a specific group of patients for a customized list. For example, a list of patients scheduled for the following day can be created so that their WOW status can be confirmed before their arrival. The WOW team can use this report to see which scheduled patients need to be assigned to a team member, which patients need to be introduced to the WOW program, and as a reminder of which patients to thank for their referral activity. To select names for the list, click on the box labeled Select Patients to create list. A list of all WOW patients will be displayed. Click each patient's name to add them to the list. Another way to add a patient is to type the first letters of his or her name and then press Enter. If a patient is added in error, simply click the X by their name to remove them. When all the names needed for the list have been selected, click the Review List button. The list will display on a new page. Let's walk through the columns to review the information included in the report. The first column lists the names in alphabetical order. The second column shows whether a patient is WOW active or not. All patients are considered WOW active unless they have been deactivated. Inactive patients and minor children are examples of patients who would be deactivated from the WOW system. The third column lists the team member's name to whom the patient has been assigned. If a patient has not yet been assigned to a team member, the Assign to Team Member button will be displayed. This button conveniently allows you to assign the patient to a team member without leaving the page. Click Assign to Team Member, and then select a team member's name from the drop-down list. Note that the team member's name now appears on the button. Another step is needed to complete this assignment. Be sure to click the Save Assignments button before continuing. The button in the table will no longer be displayed, and the team member's name will appear simply as part of the list. That indicates that the assignment has been saved by the system. For the standard method of assigning or reassigning patients to team members, see the Assign Patients training video. Let's finish reviewing the columns. The fourth column indicates whether the team member has introduced the patient to the WOW program and reported it in the WOW system. The fifth column shows the electronic referral code for that patient. Hovering the mouse over the code will display the full referral link, which that patient can share with others. The last column lists the number of referrals that patient has already made. The first number indicates card referrals, the second, electronic referrals, and the third, the number of new patients resulting from those referrals. After reviewing the list and saving any team member assignments that were made, click in the title box to enter a title for the list. Then click on the Create PDF List button. The list will open in the browser window as a PDF document. Note that some browsers may have different settings, which means that the list may open in a separate pop-up window. The report header will include the title entered, the name of the WOW team member who created the report, and the date and time the report was created. To print the list, move the mouse over the lower part of the screen to display the PDF toolbar. Clicking the printer icon will bring up a window with the Office's printer settings. To close the list, use the Browser Back button to return to the previous screen. This video has shown how to create a WOW patient list and reviewed the information that a patient list contains. This concludes the Create WOW Patient List training video.